So my wife's truck, Dodge Ram lifted 4x4 Dodge Ram Sport, right? It has a locking differential in the back. We were driving the other day and we heard, or felt and heard a loud pop, and then you let off the gas and you hear a horrible grinding kind of sound, right? Well, that's the culprit. Spider gear. One of the spider gears completely broke apart because one of the clutch packs, one of the discs out of the clutch packs came out and jammed the spider gear and broke it apart. This spider gear is okay, and the spider gear races that they ride on are okay. The pin's okay, and everything. And I think I can just put some spider gears in it and it'll be drivable. The only other thing I'm concerned about is that the clutch packs behind the side gears are definitely coming apart on both sides. But just for driving sakes, I think I can throw some spider gears in it and it'll at least be drivable for now. Because the ring gear's okay, the side gears are okay, the pinion's okay. Yeah. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because I ain't got money to be putting a whole diff in it right now, or rebuilding it. But I think I can get it drivable with some spider gears, because that's clearly what the pop and the noise was right there.